Kogono tongo je borok bisi bawa bo ngya bini bisi basio bo ngya omo haino kwbangma thungrung bodolo ban kundri no bar phaifano bodol yakaya tongma hai phiaba juda juda bodol yakare juda juda bodolo hapthani jotoni sai khasuk bo tongo chini hastebo abongkha tabuni congress bodolni subol bumik bo khoroksano bisibo bodol slayo omo hai adongno subol bumingno paithak asuk thai rimani hani bubagra produt kishor debarma o adongno tabokhe bubagrani mungui hamya sawi tongo phiaba congress bodolni kwbangkuk adongrokno omonu gosija tajagya 2019 bisibo bubagrani tuidul mungbai salthang tipurani asuk thaini bagui subol bumingno busari mani afrobo hariwi thangka harui thangpano sakni mukhangno kaham khai narangbalia je sanamusungmani sawino tongo.
The center and the state government to focus on the real issues: unemployment, price rise, corruption, poor poverty. We don't want to talk about ridiculous issues like NPR, NRC, CA. The center should focus, the state should focus on people's issues, not idar-udar ki issues. That is the main focus of today's rally.
The center is just diverting the main national issues. They are implementing the Citizenship Amendment Act.
Center is diverting the issues. The real issue is unemployment is highest in 45 years. In Tripura, 30% unemployment is there. Instead of solving the unemployment problem, they are talking about other issues. They promised 50,000 jobs. They didn't give even one job. They talk about pan ki dukan, pakoda and guy. But we want jobs. We want price rise to be controlled. We do not want to be diverted by non-issues like CA, NRC, NPR.
Bubagra khor agulini Robindra Shatobarshiki boni buskango joto adongrok phai manjak phano phiaba kerei subol bumik aboni bagino jotono salai tonglayo subol bumik sakni kokbaino laji jagai tabuk nokjagai manya hinoi